Come on, what are you braking for? Let's go, come on. Oh, God almighty. Melts. Come on, you melt. What an absolute, what is this clown doing? He's not going to indicate. He's going to go all the way around. What are you doing? You're just going to stop in the middle of the road, you absolute mongo. And this fella's just going to pull out in front of me. No fucks given with him. What an armour. So welcome back to the channel, peeps. And as you can see, I'm on the red peril. I'm on the bullet, the classic 500. I don't know why I called it a bullet, because it ain't. Look, it's even got it on there, look. Bleeding combat indicator. It's classic 500. I'm on the classic 500. Oh my god. I'm not firing on all cylinders, which is why I'm on the classic 500, because I've got man flu. Just come into town to go on an appointment. It's been raining all week, and now look at it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and which is just as well, really, because Jimbo ain't got a car no more. Dear oh dear, bleeding car decided to die on me. Thought it was the timing chain, however, because I had a BMW X1 and it's the 2 litre diesel, which that particular year is notorious for having timing chain issues. I actually thought the timing chain had given up, and called the AA out, and the AA, amazing, the AA. I tried to, I've got AA and RAC, and I'll tell you what, let's close this down because you've got whistling. Yeah, AA are just so much better. I did start off with the call the RAC, but they were just fanning around, so I just went with the AA. AA guy come out, listened to it, and had a look under the, I could say the hood, under the bonnet, and yeah, he grabbed hold of the engine and bleeding vibrate, it stopped. Bleeding 2 bolts holding on the differential, so one had fallen out completely, which just left one holding it on, and that sheared off, hence the vibration. Hence I got no bleeding car, because to replace that, yeah, it would have cost an absolute arm and a leg. So I ended up selling the car to a mate who's a mechanic, so he's got the skills and the know-how to swap it all out, and he's going to give it to his missus, so he's bought the car off me. So anyway, what we're going to talk about today, GoPro. I think GoPro have absolutely pooped the bed. I like GoPro over like the Insta and all that. I just like the colour science on it. It just looks better. The picture quality just looks better. The clouds look better. Everything just looks better on it. Anyway, because I've got the Osmo Action 4, yeah, that's right, and that's alright. It's not too bad. What I love about that is you can connect that microphone in it on the Bluetooth. So walking around and doing, you know, point of view is pretty good, but on the bike it makes no difference really. I mean, yeah, it's just I'm not keen on the colour science. So yeah, they've just brought out their new camera, haven't they? And it's I don't know what they're thinking. They're just aiming it at professionals, so you can stick micro 4/3 lenses on it now. I don't know what they're thinking. All they had to do was make them so the battery power lasts a lot longer. I've got the endurance batteries in there, so I've got the GoPro Hero 10 now. The 9 was a bit glitchy, the 10 seems to be working fine, and I've got the white enduro batteries, and they're great. They last forever. They're pretty good. They're much better than the standard ones. And all they had to do, GoPro, was you know, just do what DJI and that have done, which is, you know, so you can connect a Bluetooth microphone and maybe, you know, make it a little bit more you know, easier to use, you know, and battery power. But no, what they're gonna done, they could do it so that you can stick a micro 4/3 camera on it. What is all that lens, I mean, what is all that about? Idiots. I think they're going to go bust. I know they've just released a thing where they said that they're hinting at it, they're alluding to that they're going to go bust. What is that lunatic doing? Yeah, so I think they're going to go. Yeah, DJI and Insta have had their pants down. The other thing I've noticed as well, you've probably noticed this as well, looking on YouTube, a lot of creators, influencers, blah blah blah, not just motor vloggers, I think they're all using the same AI tool or something to do the thumbnails, because yeah, all the bloody thumbnails, well, a lot of them, all starting to look the same. They've all got the same type of like the writing, the colour grading, everything. And obviously it's just got, they've obviously used AI, and because it's got like their faces on it, so you can tell it's, you know, it's whoever you're watching. But yeah, they all look same colours, and you know, the writing and everything. Yeah, weird. Yeah, really weird. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I don't know what they're using. They're obviously using some type of app to make the thumbnail, but yeah, which is a bit strange. I got man flu. I thought I ain't coming out on one of the other bikes, because I ain't firing on all cylinders. It was just as well, really, because the idiots on the road at the minute that I had earlier on, clowns. I'll tell you, driving standards in the UK, what with the road conditions as well, it's just absolutely gone through the floor. It's ridiculous, it really is. Anyway, I'm not going to keep moaning on about that. Hopefully the weather now, because it is absolutely super toasty, pardon me, it's going to stay like this. I'm going to talk about the weather now because it's UK. So it's mental, the weather app. So the weather app predicted this originally, and then all week it's been absolutely chucking it, then it changed, and all week it's been chucking it down, and then it said, oh no, it's going to be raining all weekend, and now it's gone back to, no, it's going to be alright. Absolutely crazy. Oh, cheers, thank you very much. And I've got to say, I did the video on it on the Isle of Man TT. It was pump. The coverage on that, a lot of people said in the comments as well. I thought it might maybe just me. I didn't want to be too much of a, you know, negative Nelly, but yeah, it was crap. Yeah, I'm not going to say much more on that really. I was very unimpressed. I don't know what they need to do to make it a bit more interesting, but yeah, I mean, I haven't paid for the subscription, you know what I mean? But even just the highlights were rubbish. It was just really crap. It was all slow motion video and stuff. It was just like, what is all this about? I don't want to watch it. It was like watching a bleeding episode of Freddie Dobbs. You know, where they're like, oh, I'm brushing my teeth, and oh, I'm about to eat a cream bun and have a coffee. It's like, oh my god, please knock it on the head. So yeah, so I'm without a car, so hopefully, which is typical, isn't it? Because as soon as my car, I lost my car, the weather went absolutely super pump. It was like monsoon. It was like, I ain't riding my bikes in this crap. So, but hopefully, yeah, like I said, the weather is going to cheer up a hell of a lot now. So on that note, I'm going to end that video there because it's Saturday. I don't want to hold you up because you need to be out on your bikes. So like I always say, if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, smash that red subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, hit the notification bell. That way every time this idiot uploads a video, you will get notified. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. I love opening my garage up. Watch this. Just when I can open the bloody thing. Here we go. Oh, check that out. Look at them sexy beasts. Whenever I see this, it just cheers me up. Especially looking at the Black Mamba and the new edition, the Buell. Check that out. Dear oh dear. It's just like, would you ever want to get rid of the Black Mamba? I've been tempted, but when I see it, I'm just like, nah. Why would you want to do that, Jim? Don't be an utter bellend. You're a lucky boy. Just go with the flow.